Spring has come, and Chongqing, the southwest China's municipality, is full of color. But here's a question. What is the most popular color here? What is the color of the year in 2021? Well, today we are going to take sightseeing boat and visit Guangyang Island, the largest island in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, and find out the answer. It seems that we have found the answer to our question. Now let's take a look.
We know that the Color Research Institute Pantone unveiled illuminating as one of the colors of the year. The color is like bright, dazzling yellow, screaming life and energy. This field of illuminating color is filled with cold flowers. At this time of the year, they attract a large number of tourists to enjoy the natural scenery.
So what can you tell me about this field?
This co-flower is about 15 hectares. After large-scale development, the condition of the soil was poor. After ecological restoration and the soil development, we planted co-flower here last winter, and now it has formed a beautiful landscape that attracts a lot of tourists.
Actually, Guangyang Island was under the risk of losing its natural beauty. Before 2018, 3 million square meters of real estate was planned. Fortunately, instead of real estate, Chongqing focused on ecological restoration and environmental remediation work.
After ecological restoration, Guangyang Island is becoming a more lively and eco-friendly place.
This terrace uses an ecological method of irrigation. The underground pole collects rainwater and uses it to irrigate in dry seasons. With this method, we can reduce the use of water by 45%.
In fashion world, illuminating may be color of the year. But here in Guangyang Island, green is always the most fashionable color of all. It is also a significant part of protecting the Yangtze River. Since the Yangtze River economic belt was made a national strategy, China has shown firm determination in enhancing the ecological protection of the Yangtze River.